What a day for the market today. The S&P 500 up over 1.45% and pretty much green all over the board for the market. But in this video, I want to go over the psychological analysis for the S&P 500 as well as QQQ because the SPY is screaming bullish. We also had some great news that I want to go over that caused the market to go up, as well as, I'll be giving updates on Ford as well as Costco and the setups that I am looking at. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and subscribe with notifications on YouTube. Trying to hit 5,000 subscribers. Been pretty slow for the YouTube journey for now. But let's get started with the SPY. And the SPY looks incredible. There is a lot that is going on. We have been trading sideways for more than a year now on the S&P 500. We could see that May of last year, 2022, it has been more than a year now. We have literally just been trading sideways, not going up or down, just zigzagging between these zones, which is 378 and 420. And today we finally broke out and we closed above, which is a major indication. Now in this video I want to go over the levels to really watch for. You really need to keep a hold and keep these price levels saved when you're looking at the psychological analysis for the market. So one thing to keep in mind is that we broke this resistance. This was a roof. This was a major roof. Now our area for buying or calls is going to be the area that we broke. So I want to make a level here at $418. So this is the level that we have been fighting for. It kept rejected, it kept coming back down, but since now we broke that roof, the roof is now the floor. So we broke that level and now this is going to be our floor. So I'm just going to change. Can I change this to green? Okay, so this is going to be our area for calls. Now our next roof is going to be right around here, 427, and then we have another one here. And how I find, these levels are just previous levels. So for example, here, for example, we could see that this is a respectable zone. Whenever price hits this level, it comes back down, or whenever price hits this level, it bounces, or whenever price hits this level, it rejects. So that is the area that I'm looking for. 438 is going to be our next price target, but the plays that I'm looking at right now is if we come back down for the S&P 500 to test this level, this could be a nice scalp play for calls or just longing on if you're trading futures. So this is going to be a nice buy zone at $418 if it comes back down to retest the support or the resistance that it broke out, as well as the RSI, which tells us if a stock is overbought or oversold, is creeping up to the highs at 70. So RSI is something to really watch for. So this could be a nice put area or nice scalp area if you want to trade on 5-minute, 15-minute for puts, or just shorting it on the futures. So these are very, very important levels to look out for because I'm just not pulling these numbers out of nowhere. These are psychological numbers that matter, that the market reacts to, and we could play calls, puts off of these levels. Next, I want to take a look at the Qs, which is the tech ETF. So we can see that we broke out. We have a level here at a resistance here. So I hope you guys are kind of learning while I'm making these charts. For example, we could see we had this zone for the Qs, it broke, and then it retested that, and then we had another zone right here. So for the levels for the QQQ, we have $368. So QQQ actually kind of has more room here to kind of just trade sideways, and then the call area is 347, which is our support here. So the charts are looking very, very interesting for the S&P 500 and the Qs, but I want to take a look at the bullish setups that I am looking at and give you guys an update on that. So Ford 2 days ago it did break out. It came back down and it's right at this level of resistance. So we really need to be above $12.36 for Ford. We need to be above this black line. And then these are our price targets that I am looking at. And for Ford, I really want to get out at, around 14 bucks. I got in a lot earlier, as I posted on Twitter, so I'm already up quite a bit on Ford shares. Costco, I did not buy into Costco yet, but I am looking at for a next week call option. We could see that the previous 4 days we have these nice candlesticks and it is really setting up. This is a very tough level for Costco, and if we can break this level, we can get a very nice pop. We also have some very nice volume confirmation for Costco. So make sure to check out the Costco video as well as the Ford video if you have not already. And then the main reason that the market was actually up today was because we had a nice bullish news for the market with a hot jobs report. So that is it for this video. A lot's going on in the market. The market looks really well. Actually, the levels are looking very interesting, and there are a lot of plays now that I am looking at. So I'm looking to post a lot more videos and get into a lot more plays. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.